Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at Hyatt Select St. Louis. 2-queen bedroom. This property used to be a Best Western and now it is a Hyatt Select and has been for several months. See USB and plugs above the single nightstand. More plugs on the bottom. Not that spacious of a room. We do have a side chair, the classic side chair, right next to the bed. 2 queen beds in this room. Laptop desk, coffee maker included. Drawers on the bottom next to a microwave in the room and a mini fridge. Nice they provide the microwave in room, not as common. Many hotels will have it in the lobby or outside of the room. TV in the center, non-smoking hotel. Upon check-in for my room 318, I got 2 water bottles and a free snack, sweet potato chips. I booked this with my Hyatt Globalist status, 8,000 points for 1 night. More plugs on this side as well. Space for luggage, room safe on the bottom, and more space for luggage on the way in. Although, don't trip on your own luggage. Onto the bathroom. Simple sink setup. Not too much space next to the sink. Have a mirror, toilet off to the side, and a walk-in shower. The door almost intersects the other door. You would have to close it and then open the shower door. Shower gel, shampoo, conditioner on the wall, and a simple shower setup with this sliding door. Place to hang a towel, and a lot of towels down below with a hairdryer as well. Looks like a plastic type bath mat on the bottom. I stayed at Hyatt Regency at the Arch, nicer hotel, bigger hotel. But now I'm here for 1 night because of flight delays and cancellations. Bad weather in St. Louis near the end of May 2026, and it is nighttime. There was a complimentary shuttle that took me here. It was branded as Hilton Doubletree Shuttle, but serviced many different hotels. See outside, looks like a car rental area and a big parking lot. Not much to see from this view. Some art on the wall. A little bit dark on the side, but the lights are in the center and a lamp on this side. I imagine it would be cold in this bed next to the air unit, right next to the wall, right next to the bed. So I'll be staying on the bed on the far side. 1 night, complimentary breakfast in the morning for everyone. Again, this used to be a Best Western, so I'm not expecting a big lavish breakfast. And we'll be heading out tomorrow with American Airlines in the early afternoon. I reserved a shuttle to get back to the airport, complimentary shuttle to and from. Nice addition, not bad, including the shuttle and only 8,000 Hyatt points per night. This will also be an elite qualifying night since I used my loyalty at check-in, and a mark on the so-called Hyatt passport for the brand Explorer, as I've never stayed at a Hyatt Select before. That'll help me get some complimentary free nights in the future. A bit of a rebate after booking this hotel following irregular operations, weather, delays, and other problems. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Hyatt Select in St. Louis. Stay tuned for more content.